Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to make Snapchat account public. If you find it difficult to reach to others, or you don't know how you can actually make your Snapchat account public, in today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to do that. So first off, if you're coming across this channel, please just subscribe to this channel. So I'll waste much of your time. Let's dive right into the video. So the first step you need to take, you need to open up your Snapchat. On your Snapchat here, you're going to click on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. So on your profile, this is what you're going to do. Next step you need to take, you need to click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on that, you need to scroll down gently and scroll down gently till you get to view my story. So here you're going to set in your story to friend only. As you can see, that's where mine is. The next step you need to take, you need to click on see me in friend this thing. If it is off, you need to turn it on. Show me in friend friends. You need to turn it on. Then contact me as well. If it's on friends, yeah, you need to switch to friends and contacts, then leave it there. So in this way, you are going to actually fix that problem and get public. So that is just on how you can actually get public on Snapchat. If you found this helpful, because you're going to very under this video, please just subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comment section how to find any videos on this channel. I want to hit it to give you guys feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.